Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to use Internet Download Manager for lifetime without any serial key. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to disable antivirus for 10 minutes. To disable antivirus, click on this button and right-click on the antivirus you have installed. Click on Shield Control and click on Disable for 10 minutes. And click on Yes. After disable the antivirus, we need to download IDM software with crack. I have provided the link of IDM full package in the description. You can download from there. I have downloaded IDM already, so right-click on the zip file and extract the files anywhere you want. Open the extracted files folder and run the setup, click Yes, and install the software. After the installation is completed, I just wanted to show you that I have already used the trial version before. So the trial version is completed. Now it needs a serial key to open. Double-click on the IDM folder and extract the patch file anywhere. After extracted, open the folder, right-click and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Click on Crack. Here it is successfully cracked. You can use it for lifetime without any problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can ask about any problem in the comment section. Thank you.